सेट में आ जाओ, सेकंड सेट में आ जाओ।
हम वापस कर रहे हैं, हम वापस।
whatsoever concern which I don't know, ma'am. Please unmute this. The surprise is here. Ma'am, what's your lucky number? We'll have a countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Presenting the World Book of Records, which goes to Bakar Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati Amrita Fadnavis ji, kindly do the honors. Congratulations to Bakar Nasser. Group picture. Dr. Seva Gonapala is joining us. We'd also like to welcome Miss India International, Simriti Bakija.
Ano, what means? Men Sana means a sound mind in a healthy body. Men Sana incorporates. If you have a healthy body, you have good amount of oxygen when you exercise, goes to the brain, your brain gets rejuvenated. You can never get old. When you exercise, you can never get old. So keep your body, and the maximum effort comes from your legs. A man who has to live long must have a good lower body. And that's what you people have been doing. You've been spinning. And none other than our India's wonderful 7 times champion, 11 times champion, cycling champion. Who else can be a role model for this? So I have to really look at his brain and see how much of oxygen he has been consuming. So keep exercising and keep consuming the oxygen. You get great ideas when you exercise. You get great thoughts when you exercise. They get hormones, dopamine, serotonin.
Can you raise your hand up? Aryan, okay, Aryan, there you go. He's 10-year-old and our eldest participant
74 is 74.
74.
Is 74.
Yeah.
Years young.
So ma'am, what are we trying to show over here? Well, myself, former 11-time national champion, started the concept of indoor cycling, which is popularly known as spinning. Today, we collected and we said, let's have a celebration in such a way that we have all the fitness enthusiasts, which is not only from the cycling community or spinning community, but also dance, which is Zumba, and also steps, which we are using as an aerobic stepper. All these 3 things are working towards one channel, that's cardiorespiratory. So we are trying to keep the cardiorespiratory heart function perfect. They all are connected to heart rate monitors and their heartbeats are blinking in their phone. They must have already crossed beyond 1200 calories, and looking at you, they're going to burn maybe 2000 more. So we're going to show you a small glimpse that what all we do on the bike. Alright, ma'am, can we have you forward? And average people are burning at 160 average heartbeat. Kids and some youngsters are giving an average heartbeat of 188. Okay, can we have, give your mic ko jara loud karo yaar. Hello, sir. No. The volume is down. Please increase the volume.
Have the faders higher, please.
The faders ko high karo, please. Okay, Ramba ho ho. We're going to do standing cycling, okay? On your mark. First we started with seated cycling. 2 time left, 2 time right. And after that we'll stand up. Ready? Sit down, please. Boy in the white cap. Please behave. 2 time left, 2 time right. Get ready. Volume down, volume down. Alright, here we have the man with a mission. Who wants peace? Who doesn't want peace? Everybody wants peace. The peacekeeper who made the concept of keeping the peace in the world Sir, we would like to hear from you the vision behind I Am Peacekeeper.
So the I Am Peacekeeper movement is a global movement on world peace, and it is based on 7 human values, that is truth, gratitude, forgiveness, love, humility, giving and patience. And every human value stands for one day of the week. So today is Sunday, and today we commemorate the value of truth. So I would like to wish you happy Truth Day, and so every human value has an opposite. Truth has falsehood, is the opposite. Gratitude is complaint, forgiveness is revenge, love is hatred, humility is pride and ego, giving is selfishness, and patience is panic. And in our daily life we have to press a button. If we press the button of the positive human value, we get more inner peace for ourselves. And when we press the button of the negative human value, we lose by the law of karma some of the inner peace for ourselves. And the world peace is based when more of the human beings have inner peace in their own self, then the world peace has a greater chance. So the foundation of world peace is inner peace, and the inner peace can come through the practice of human values. And just as you go to the supermarket with $1, you buy a bottle of water. So in the supermarket of peace, you can, in the currency of human value, you can get more peace for yourself. So thank you for inviting me here, and I wish all of you all the best. Thank you very much.
Humble thanks
Thank
to
you.
respected sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I have made a sitting for you, sir. अभी कुछ सुनना चाहता हूँ, sir. What am I giving in return? Health, fitness. People are dancing, which is Zumba. People are cycling, which is indoor cycling. People are doing stepper. There is a 10-year-old boy. There is 74-year-old participant. We are mixing the culture together just on one mission. Fit India, Savera Bharat. And these kids, look at them, sir. They are from Oscar Foundation. They only practice for football, male and female. Over there in the back row, can I have some noise over there, guys? They are from HR College. The college kids have come. What do you see over here, sir, tonight? What is this show happening, sir? एकदम दिल से बात चाहता हूँ.
पहले तो ये बात बता दूं आप सबको कि फिटनेस शुरू हुआ था इंडिया से ही, और फिटनेस हमेशा इंडिया का ही रहेगा. You know, whether it was Kalarippayat or whether it was yoga, दुनिया घूम के कराटे, मार्शल आर्ट्स, योगा बन के यहाँ आया हुआ है. इंडियंस रियलाइज बहुत लेट किए. So a big congratulations to all of you. You know, today Bakar had started spinning and brought in the culture of entertainment and spinning, and I can see that here, which is fantastic. Like I said, spin today, and you'll have the rest of the world spinning around you, because it's not about cardio, it is about mental toughness in him. So we have the right people. Bakar is the one who taught me how to spin. I started spinning. Dhanesh is around. He's the one who took me there and introduced me to him. So I'm so glad that all of you all are a part of this fitness journey, you know. And but I always say India is where it all started from. तो आज थकना allowed है, रुकना मना है. To be at it. God bless, and you know, have a fantastic evening. Thank you for having me.
Sir, you said ma'am is a good singer also.
Ma'am is a fantastic singer.
Ma'am, आप अगर 2 लाइन तमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर, खाली 2 लाइन मैम, please.
I think you should ask her to sing what her favorite is and her own song.
सर एक मेरा favorite, फिर एक मैम का favorite.
First of all, let me congratulate all of you. You have chosen health and fitness over any other thing in the world, and that's what will keep you going. And I thank Bakar Nasir for that. He's come all the way to get all of you in a unified strength, a community which takes care of themselves, their health. So thank you for that. And with this kind of gathering, for health, I think so. It is definitely going to be written in some kind of at least national record. They are getting registered in world books.
And don't be surprised that your Mumbai city, probably in the next 2-3 years, will be the hub for fitness, outdoor fitness, because of the kind of parks that we're getting, the kind of amenities, the space that we're getting. So I think we have the right people at the helm of affairs, and that's what we should all wish for, and that's what we should all push for.
We have two fitness icons here, Sunil ji, Vakar ji. I think so we all can learn so much from them and bring about huge changes in our lives and inspire others also to get ahead into health and fitness.
So, are we officially been announced by the World Book? Yes. No, that needs to be announced by the chief himself.
Good evening, guys. क्या लगता है आप लोग को? आप लोग ने की उतनी मेहनत? तो मैंने सारे काउंटिंग किए हैं, and just to make you guys that you guys have really come up in the World Book of Records. Congratulations.
We'd like to thank Rajiv Shukla ji and Rajesh Shukla ji from World Book of Records, UK, for joining us here and for announcing Fit India's The Great Indian Spin is now the World Book of Records. Yay! Heartfelt congratulations. The vision of Bakar Nasser has been fulfilled. We like.
So, question to Mr. Khorakiwala. Sir, this is Jain Gymkhana. वो मैडम गा रही है गाना दमादम मस्त कलंदर, वो सिंधी गाना, अली दा पहला नंबर, मुस्लिम गाना, जैन जिमखाना. What is the peace committee saying about it of the world? Isn't this humanity? Isn't this the Eka of India? Okay, this is how we Indians are. We have the culture, and the name of our culture is I am India. अरे अगर आप भी इंडियन है और उसके लिए प्यार है तो मेरे साथ चिल्लाओगे I am India. What do you like to say?
I think India is a very diverse country, and finally all the cultures and all the people, they merge with each other, and it is like we all feel in India we are one. We don't feel we are different from, and the Indian culture, Indian ethos, it is the oldest culture in the world, and the world has a lot to learn from the Indian culture and ethos.
Thank you so much. And from Fit India, we have Ashwini ji with us. Please, ma'am. 2 words.
Right. It's first of all, how's the Josh? Yeah, how's the Josh? Right. It's an honor to be a part of this August gathering, the Fit India movement, and sharing this stage with such big role models. Fitness being something very close to my heart. This event, the movement, is to bring in a cultural shift, a change in the mindset of us common Indian people. Fitness for long, unfortunately, has been associated with just vanity or fields of physical activities like sports. But I firmly believe fitness goes beyond. Only a fit body can house a fit mind. So with this, I would like to request everyone to put in all their efforts in promoting, engaging, and inspiring everyone to bring fitness to Aadha Ghanta Rose Fitness Ka Dose. Please go ahead, enjoy your evening, and a big round of applause because आप लोगों ने तो आधे घंटे से भी बहुत ज़्यादा कर दिया है. So a round of applause. Wonderful, huge round of applause you all deserve.
We're friends, and this is a very special certificate by Fit India, which goes to Bakar Nasser. Bakar has been 11 times champion of spinning. He's the one who brought spinning to India, and we've been his fans ever since. So every instructor and trainer you see of spinning is by Bakar Nasser. Congratulations, Bakar! You already received a record, and now the certificate by Fit India. A humble thanks with 20 hands to Mrs. Ashwini ji, our honorable chief guest, Amrita ji, to kindly join. Thank you.
Spinning. Yeah, I mean outstanding. Record भी हुआ है, गिनीज बुक का भी है और क्या वर्ल्ड बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स लंदन का है. तो आई थिंक ग्रेट अचीवमेंट बाय बाकर. हर एक पार्टिसिपेंट जिसने पार्टिसिपेट किया, आई मीन 2 घंटा नॉन स्टॉप स्पिनिंग करना आसान नहीं है. शोज द लेवल ऑफ फिटनेस एंड ऑल्सो शोज द कमिटमेंट कि आज मुंबई के लोग कैसे सोचते हैं और क्या चाहते हैं. और यू नो जिस तरीके से इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बढ़ रहा है, पार्क्स बढ़ रहे हैं, आई थिंक ऐसे सेंटर्स अगर हर जगह खुले फ्रॉम अ फिटनेस पर्सपेक्टिव, स्पिनिंग हो, योग हो, मार्शल आर्ट्स हो, साइकिलिंग हो, पैडल, पिकल, आई थिंक इट्स आउटस्टैंडिंग.
Oh, it was not an easy scenario. 159 participants थे और उनको 2 घंटे तक चला करके रखना विदाउट एनी इंजरी. एज ए सर से मैंने सीखा था, as workout is something which keeps injury away from you by miles. मतलब एक्सरसाइज करिए और सेहत में हमेशा कामयाबी पाइए. तो हियर आई शोकेस किधर है हार्ट अटैक्स बताइए ना, किधर है. 159 पीपल आप लोग के सामने 2 घंटे तक साइकिलिंग किए. 10 ईयर ओल्ड था, 74 ईयर ओल्ड था, कोई इंजरी नहीं, कुछ नहीं हुआ. जब सिखाने वाला करेक्ट हो और तरीका सही हो तो फिर बस गोल्ड मेडल है.
I think very, very important, and that's exactly the reason why I said, you know, such a good infrastructure, sport is being encouraged. What we all need to do is make sure that those 200, 300 acres that is going to be added, or probably 500 acres that is going to be added to the beauty of this city should have infrastructure like this. You know, sports infrastructure, thereby encouraging the youth to get into sport, because I honestly feel you're not just building stamina here, you're not just building cardio, you're building your mind and you're building a body that is invincible. And only you realize the power of your body when you start training. You know, for me personally, all my life, at the age that I am, if I am what I am and who I am, it's only because of fitness. You know?
And also, sir, we not only had 159 cyclists, we also had people who were dancing, which is Zumba, and people who were doing stepper. Total 250 enthusiasts were over here. 250 लोग ने एक साथ 2 घंटे तक वर्कआउट किया, and they did it. And it's commendable. It's wonderful what spirit
I think
we
it's
have in India.
The beginning of the health movement in India. So fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sunji, Bhakarji, please tell us about this moment we are having today.
Well, this is the event which is focused on cardio fitness, dil ki baat. And we have to monitor each and everybody, whether you are cycling, whether you are doing dance, or whether you are doing step class. We all had connected to the chest belt and their heartbeats were blinking on the mobile phones. And the sync what we have done of the bike setup is 159 bikes, 50 to 60 people who are doing Zumba, and approximately 30 to 40 people who are doing the step class. A bunch of 250 people, ma'am, did the workout together, and it was under the aegis of Fit India, and which was supported by I am Peacekeeper of the World.
Ashwini ji, please tell us more about Fit India and their mission.
Right, so first of all, a huge congratulations to Bakarji's team. The Fit India movement is basically the idea to bring in a cultural shift, a change in the mindset of people, to bring fitness as a daily dose, Aadha Ghanta Roz. In recent times, the mental health has become one of the topics that is being discussed. But it has come to center stage only because fitness has taken backstage over the last few decades. With people like Bakarji and his team who are constantly promoting fitness through these wonderful, engaging, exciting activities, him being the ambassador of Fit India makes only true sense to us. So congratulations to his team and keep going ahead with fitness. Inspire everyone around you for fitness and continue with the mantra of fitness ka dose, daily आधा घंटा dose. Thank you.
This was one hell of a spin class.
It was not only a hell of a spin class, it was I would say, an heaven of World Book of Record London, what we achieved it today. Thank you so much, and I'm so grateful, I'm surprised, I'm thrilled, sleepless nights, I'm excited, and I can just say thank you, God. The Great Indian Spin 2026, the first edition has come successful. Can't be thankful to God.
Simranji, how does it feel being a part of this moment?
To me, it just doesn't feel it's the first edition. At first, I'm going to introduce all of you to Bakar Nasser, who's been a friend. I've been his big fan, and I myself learned spinning from Bakar. And जो भी आपको instructors दिखते हैं, trainers, not just in India but around the world, have all been trained by 11 times national champion of cycling, Bakar Nasser, who is completely, passionately mad for spinning. And I have seen that madness of his in spinning and the spinning world that he has around him. And today, Bakar, I really want to congratulate you, and I feel so proud of you, and I really want to say that you deserve all the success of the world, because I've seen you work hard for years together, and right from brand to brand to, you know, every nook and corner where we have fitness enthusiasts and we have fitness centers, Bakar's instructors and trainers are the ones who are excelling everywhere. But जो हमने छोटे-छोटे nitty-gritties हैं, जैसे example के लिए, you know, we need to really look after our, you know, ankles in a very safe manner. Ankle, knees और back बहुत important हैं. जिस तरह से बाकर नासर workout कराते हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं on the posture, on how do you go about the technique. Energy सब बाद में. First comes the technique, and it is only him who does this. And this is the international way of learning. So today, at Fit India, the great spinning we had here at the great spinning, we are here with the champion of champions, and I definitely must say and congratulate him for all the success in the world. World Book of Records UK that you received. Bakar, पहली edition में क्या तो super achieve किया है.
And also we got the certificate from Fit India.
Fit India, absolutely. We are truly thankful, and this is by our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Fit India movement, जहाँ हम believe करते हैं for a healthier Bharat. And I'd also like to give it a mention. Thank you very much to our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati Amruta Devendra Fadnavis ji, our First Lady of Maharashtra, who encouraged it and gave so much of love. And उनके live Damadam Mast Kalandar par, which is Bakar's favorite song, where ma'am sang the song, Madam ji sang the song, and everyone was doing spinning. So I think that was really one of the highlights, along with Sunil Shetty sir and all our distinguished dignitaries, Dr.
Fitness
Zepa
icon
Purana,
of
everyone.
India is Mr. Sunil Shetty.
Shetty.
Look at that personality and that power, the dignity. It's outstanding.
And he's always been there for your show.
Absolutely.
And can I mention 10 साल पहले, exact 10 साल
ma'am,
पहले.
उससे भी पहले. So the first time Mr. Sunil Shetty attended the show was 2005.
2005.
In Kala Ghoda. We
Kala
did
Ghoda.
that event.
Yes, yes.
In 2014, we did it at Phoenix Mall.
Yes, जिसमें I was hosting the show.
And Madhuri ji,
Dixit ma'am
yes.
was there as well.
And then
And
Rakul
he's
Preet
always
was
been there
dancing.
with
And
you.
yes. And now, so what I see is, first year के बाद वो 9 साल के बाद आए, 9 साल के बाद वो 11 साल के बाद आए. This is the third time back to back in 25 years of relationship. और उन्होंने क्या कहा कि I learned spinning from Bakar. I learned the cycling act. और सर भी आए थे, मिस्टर सुनील शेट्टी आए थे मेरे पास. Bakar stunts करके हमारे knees को injury मिलती है. और मेरा कार्डियो सही करना है, मेरा हार्ट को मजबूत रखना है, और साइकिलिंग इज़ अ लेस इम्पैक्ट कार्डियो ट्रेनिंग विच बिल्ड्स द मसल अराउंड द नी जॉइंट. लोगों को लगता है कि साइकिलिंग करके घुटने ख़राब हो जाते हैं. मैं लोगों से कहता हूँ कि ख़राब घुटने लाओ, मैं उसे ठीक कर दूँगा. सो इट्स अ मिथ पीपल, and the right posture is always correct. Seat is low, the pressure is on knee. Seat is high, the pressure is on back. The right bike setup is important. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you.
हमारे जियो जिम खाना में बना है। जियो जिम खाना, जिसको हम जैन जिम खाना बोलते हैं, जियो संस्था को ये 2 महीने पहले ही अलॉट हुआ है। 2 महीने की ये बड़ी उपलब्धि है कि बाकर नासिर को हम यहाँ लाए और इनने ये अपना वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड यहाँ क्रिएट किया। ये हमारे लिए बड़ा प्राउड मोमेंट है। हम सभी एंथियोस को यही रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि इस जिम खाना में आएँ और अपनी फिटनेस को बनाए रखें। हम इस तरह के और भी बहुत प्रोग्राम करते रहेंगे और आप सबका सहयोग लेते रहेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।
जी सर, क्या आपको लगता है जैन इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड बाकर सर के और कोलैबोरेशंस होंगे फ्यूचर में?
Definitely, why not? This is just the beginning. This is 150. We have to create another record. Don't worry. It will be very soon.
Is there more great Indian spins coming?
Well, ये तो अभी साल में एक ही बार होगा, क्योंकि मैं खुद दुबई में रहता हूँ और मैं एक ऐसे जोन से निकल करके बाहर आया हूँ जहाँ पे मैं खुद मैं बोलूँगा 12 घंटे सिर्फ एयरपोर्ट पे ही रुका था और काफ़ी स्ट्रगल के साथ मैं यहाँ पे पहुँचा हूँ ये शो करने के लिए, बिकॉज डेट वाज फाइनलाइज। तो कैसे भी करके मैं यहाँ पहुँचा। सो इसके अंदर क्या दिखाई देता है, दैट आई डोंट नो हाउ टू गिव अप, आई नो हाउ टू गिव माई बेस्ट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट द ग्रेट इंडियन स्पिन नहीं, द ग्रेट इंडियंस आर ऑल अबाउट।
Shashi ji, could you please tell us more about why we should have events like this?
Because of Bakar and Vijay uncle. He supported me. This guy, I'm like, I don't have words. I'm really not good at all these things. But Vijay uncle trusted me. I'm here today because of Vijay uncle and Abhishek. Obviously our Guruji. But Bakar, on one call, we don't even know each other. But on one call he said, yes, let's do it. That's how this is. Like, it's huge. Thanks, brother.
इट्स अ विजन, इट्स अ ड्रीम, और एक सपना है, बस उसको साकार करना रहता है। उसका भी मिशन एक ही था, हमारा भी मिशन एक था, लेट्स डू समथिंग फॉर कम्युनिटी, एंड उस कम्युनिटी का नाम है इंडियंस। लेट्स डू समथिंग। तो ये नाम इमीडिएटली बनाए, करे मेहनत, और वो साकार हुआ। आप लोग सब
really worked hard.
हमारे गुरु श्री नए पदम सागर जी महाराज साहब का भी यही विजन है कि सारा बंधुत्व, सारा संसार एक ही बंधन में रहे, कोई भी आपस के अंदर मन मुटाव उसको दूर किया जाए, सब साथ मिलके विकास की तरफ चलें। सबका ये छोटा ईगो छोड़ के हमारे को बड़ा काम ये करना है कि सबको साथ लेके हर समय चलें। यही मिशन हमारा जियो में है, वही हमारे गुरुदेव का प्रवचन है।
और मुझे भी गुरुजी की तरफ से आशीर्वाद मिला करने के लिए।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू जी।